In this video, we're going to be talking about member articles or community articles. These can be found on the home page if you scroll down to the recent member articles section, and they can also be found on the main menu under More Member Articles. So this is a list of articles that's been posted by members. The first one here doesn't have an image associated with it. That's why it looks a little different than the others. But this is what a list of community articles looks like. And then someone can click into this article, for instance, and read the article where you can, have this one's nicely formatted, very clean and easy to read with images added. And your information is here on the side so they can directly get in contact with you or view your listing. If we go back to the previous page, people can also search these articles, so they can type in a keyword or they can search by different categories to find articles that they're interested in. So to post one of these articles, we'll do it from our dashboard. So let's go into edit listing here. And to add an article, you can click here, community article under add content, or to view any previous articles and also have the ability to add an article. Here on the left menu, go to community articles, and it'll show you in the bubble here how many articles you already have. So once we're in here, we see we have this one sample community article. I can click into this to view it and to edit it. Here under actions, you can view it, edit it. You can make a copy of it if you want to use that as a template for your next article. And you can just delete it and remove it from the website also. So we're going to add a new one. So here at the top, there's add a new community article. We'll click on that. And from here, we'll just add in our article title. Here's where the picture would go that would show up on that listing, which helps your article stand out a little bit more. So definitely recommend using that feature. Here in select category, you can choose what category your article fits under. These smart tags are like keywords, and so they're basically words that someone might search for that relate to the article that you're writing. So if you're writing about vet services, for instance, you might want to put like dog or cat or something like that that someone might search for to help them find your article. And then here's your article content. This is your rich text editors, what they call it. So you can do bold, you can do headers, you can do lists, you can insert images. Basically anything you can do with a standard rich text editor. If you wanted to, you could write your article in a different software like Word or Google Drive and then copy it over. However, a lot of times those document softwares have code in the background that you're not aware of. And so when you copy and paste it into something like this, it can make things look a little funky on the front end. And so if you're going to do that, what I would recommend is when you paste it, use the paste as plain text option. And that will remove the background formatting. You will have to add the formatting back in, like making things bold or making things a header. But that will ensure that you get a nice, clean article once it's posted on the front end. So if you're still working on your article, you're not ready for it to be published on the website yet, you can just leave this set to no and hit save. And then you can come back later and finish it and publish it when you're ready. But when you are ready, just make sure this is set to yes and click save to publish your article on the website. And one thing I forgot to show you, I'll show you quickly here, is once you've posted articles, they can be found also on your profile listing. Here, you'll have a tab for articles. So if I click here, I can see all the articles that's been posted for this profile. And this will be the same for you as well. So anyone viewing your profile will also have access to the articles that you've posted.